In this lecture you will see how to insert an irrational number between two given numbers. You have already read how to insert a rational number between two given numbers. Suppose there are two given numbers a and b, and we have to find a rational number, one rational number between a and b. So one formula was there, x is equal to a plus b by 2. It means that you have to find the mean of both the numbers, then you will find a rational number between two given numbers. Now you have to find an irrational number between two given numbers. Suppose we have two given numbers a and b, and we have to find an irrational number. Suppose this irrational number is x, and we have to find only one irrational number. So how to find? This is the formula. You will find the square root of product of both the numbers. Now let's understand by this example. There, insert an irrational number between 2 and 3. It means that we have two numbers 2 and 3, and there is an irrational number x. Okay, so how to find this x? So we write x is equal to product of both the numbers. You will write under this square root. So we will have root 6. So this root 6 is an irrational number between two given numbers. So you will write hence an irrational number between 2 and 3 is equal to root 6. This is the answer. Now let's solve question number 8. In this question you have to find both rational number and irrational number. The question is insert a rational number. Only you have to find a rational number between 2 and 2.5. Then you have to find an irrational number between 2 and 2.5. So solution. I just told you how to find a rational number between two given number. Suppose this is 2, this is given a is equal to 2 and this b is equal to 2.5, and you have to find a rational number. So what the formula is? So you will write first, you will write it, a rational number between 2 and 2.5 is, suppose x is equal to 2 plus 2.5 by 2. So this will be 4.5 by 2. So value of x is 2.25. This is a rational number between 2 and 2.5. Now how to find an irrational number? Again we will draw this 2, this is 2.5. Now you have to find an irrational number. Here x is not rational, x is an irrational number. So what the formula is? X is equal to, I just told you, the square root of product of both the numbers, okay, will be an irrational number between both the numbers. So 2 into 2.5, so this will be what? Under root 5. So you write hence an irrational number between 2 and 2.5 is root 5. This is the answer. Now we are going to solve question number 9, R.S. Agarwal exercise 1C. How many irrational numbers lie between root 2 and root 3? This is the first question. After that you have to find any three irrational number lying between root 2 and root 3. First you have to tell that between root 2 and root 3 how many irrational numbers are there. I just told you in rational number there can be infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. In the same manner there can be infinite number of irrational numbers between two given irrational numbers. So the answer will be infinite, okay, because there can be infinite number of irrational numbers between two given irrational numbers. So this is the first answer. Now the second is find any three irrational numbers. In the previous question you have to find only one rational number, but here you have to find three. So there is one method, I am just going to tell you, just you follow that method, okay. What that method is, I am going to tell. First, you know that root 2, when you will find the square root by division method, you will find 1.414, and this will continue because this is non-terminating and non-repeating, because this is an irrational number, and root 3 is 1.732. Again this will be non-terminating and non-repeating, and you have to find 3 irrational numbers between them. So I am going to write in this way. First, this is, suppose I will just write till 1.4 only, 1.7 only, up to 1 decimal. So 1.4 I am writing here and 1.7 I am writing here. Now just you see, after 1.4 what will be there? 1.5, then 1.6. Now we will try to write a non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. So what the way? See here, I am going to write 0 here, 0 here, 0 here and 0 here. You will tell, sir, why writing 0? If I am not writing 0, you can see there is no gap here. After 1.4, 1.5 is there, then 1.6 is there. But if I am writing 0 here, you can see the gap is now more. 1.40, then 1.41, many numbers we have. So we can write any of the numbers, but we have to write the pattern also, different patterns. Suppose if I am writing the first one, if I am writing this first pattern 1.0, okay, after that I will write 500, 500, 5. In this way I can write. This is the first one. Okay. Now second pattern I can 1.50. You can write 51. Okay. Then I will write 5115. Then I will write 1115. This will be the second one. If you want to write more, 1.52, then 5225, then 2225. Means there can be so many finite number of irrational numbers between them. So you can write any of them. Okay. So this will be the required answer. Now let's solve question number 10. Question is, find 2 rational and 2 irrational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. Means first you have to find 2 rational numbers. I am going to draw this diagram. So this is 0.5, this is 0.55. I have to find only 2 rational numbers. So what the way? Just you can write here 0. Just you see, after writing the 0, you have 0.50, after that 0.5152, means you have so many rational numbers here. Okay. So very easily you can write what? 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54, then 0.55. So very easily you can write, hence 2 rational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. What will be? You can write any of the two, 0.5 and 0.52. This is the answer. Now you have to find 2 irrational numbers. Okay. You can see you have to write the pattern. Understood? So I can write also 2 irrational numbers. Irrational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. So first you have to make the pattern. Suppose if I am making the pattern from here. Okay. So what I will write? 0.51, after 5 1, again 5 will come. So I will write 5 2 times, then 1. After this one again 5 will come. I will write 3 times 5, then 1. In this way I can repeat this. So this will be non-terminating and non-repeating. I can't write it as a bar. Now second one, you can take this. Second one will be 0.52. See. So I will write 5 2 times. Why 2 times? Because this is 5 1 time written. Again I will write 2 times. So 5 5 2. I am writing the pattern. Now 5 is 2 times done. Now 3 times 2, and it will continue. So in this way you can write different patterns. Now we have to solve question number 11. find 3 different irrational numbers. You have to find 3 different irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. So these are rational numbers and you have to find 3 different irrational numbers. So first you will convert it into decimal form. Decimal, you will write the decimal expansion of 5 upon 7. Okay. So solution. So how to write? When you will divide it. So 0 point, this will be 7, 49, 1, now 0, 1. I am just writing only up to 2 decimal. So this will be 0.71. Now when you will divide 9 upon 11, you will have 0 point, this will be 8 times 88, 2, this is 1. So this will be 0.81, again up to 2 decimal. Now I will draw this diagram. This is an easy way to solve it. Draw the diagram. Now see, this is 0.71, after that 0.72 will come, then 0.73 will come, and so many numbers are there. But I have to find only 3. Let me write one more, 0.74, and so many numbers will be there. So now let's write it. So I am going to write this and this and this. Okay, the pattern of this, I am going to write the pattern of 0.72, 0.73 and 0.74. So first one will be, see, after 2 7 will come. So already 7 is one time written, then 7 2 times, then 2 written, then now 7 will be written 3 times, then 2, and it will continue. Now second one, second pattern I will write, after 3 7 will come. Okay, so 7 7 3 7 3, and it will continue. Again next one 7 4, again after this 4, just you write this 7, already one time written, then 7 4 7 4, and in this way you can write so many irrational numbers, but you have to find only 3. So these are the 3 irrational numbers, different irrational numbers between 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. Thank you so much.